Welcome back to our channel, health enthusiasts. We're thrilled to have you here with us. Today, we're delving deep into a topic many of us often overlook, our gut health. You might be thinking, why is that important? Well, it turns out our gut is a major player in our overall health, influencing everything from our mood to our immunity. It's like our body's control center, and when it's out of balance, it can lead to a multitude of health issues. So, are you ready to explore the fascinating world of gut health and learn how to keep it in top shape? Stay tuned because you won't want to miss this. Ever wondered how your gut affects your overall health? It's more important than you might think. Our gut is like a second brain, influencing our mood, energy levels, and even our immunity. It's the control center of our well-being, and when it's out of balance, our health can take a serious hit. From mental fog to physical fatigue, the effects of an unhealthy gut are wide-ranging and profound. It's clear that your gut plays a vital role in your health. But how do you ensure it's in top shape? To heal your gut first, you must understand it. Consider your gut as a bustling city with trillions of microscopic inhabitants known as gut flora or microbiota. These tiny residents, primarily bacteria, play a crucial role in your overall health. They aid in digestion, produce certain vitamins, and keep harmful bacteria in check. Now let's talk about an intriguing concept, the gut-brain connection. Your gut and brain are in constant communication, exchanging signals about your body's overall well-being. This is why your gut is often referred to as your second brain. Your lifestyle choices, including diet, exercise, sleep, and stress levels, greatly influence gut health. A diet rich in processed foods and sugars can disrupt the balance, while a balanced diet full of diverse, fiber-rich foods can support a healthy gut ecosystem. Remember, a happy gut contributes to a happy mind and a healthy body. Now that you have a better understanding of your gut, let's look at how you can start healing it. Healing your gut doesn't have to be a daunting task. It's all about taking small, manageable steps to create a healthier environment for your gut flora. Let's break this down together. First, it's all about dietary changes. Cutting down on processed foods and sugars is essential. Instead, aim for a diet rich in whole foods, fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats. These not only provide essential nutrients but also help in maintaining a healthy gut. Second, lifestyle modifications play a crucial role. Regular exercise, adequate sleep, and stress management techniques like meditation can significantly improve your gut health. Remember, your mind and gut are intimately connected. Third, hydration cannot be overstated. Drinking plenty of water aids in digestion and keeps the gut lining healthy. Now let's talk about probiotics and prebiotics. Probiotics are beneficial bacteria that help maintain a healthy gut. They can be found in fermented foods like yogurt and sauerkraut or taken as supplements. Prebiotics, on the other hand, are food for these good bacteria. They are found in foods like bananas, onions, and whole grains. Lastly, always consult with a healthcare professional before making any drastic changes to your diet or lifestyle. They can provide personalized advice based on your unique needs. Remember, healing your gut is a journey, not a destination. Patience and consistency are key, so let's embark on this journey together, one step at a time. So you're now equipped with the knowledge to start healing your gut. Today we dove into the fascinating world of gut health, unpacking its importance and role in overall well-being. We've learned that nurturing our gut is not just about what we eat, but also about our lifestyle choices. We've understood that a healthy gut contributes to a strong immune system, heart health, brain health, improved mood, healthy sleep, and effective digestion. We then walked through a step-by-step guide on how you can begin to heal your gut. This includes eating a diverse range of foods, getting regular sleep, staying hydrated, and reducing stress levels. But remember, healing your gut is a journey, not a sprint. Patience and consistency are key. In the end, always remember that your gut is your second brain. Listen to it, nurture it, love it. Take care of your gut, and it will take care of you. Start your gut healing journey today.